Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we are going to do is we are going to go ahead and select 5 top devices on Amazon. That is just normal daily use gadgets which I bought on Amazon, and you'll be able to see what are those devices. We do have a part 1 and part 2 of this series because these devices are less than 500 rupees in total. In the part 1 and part 2 it's a little bit more than that, but it is very good gadgets, or you can even say a normal use daily plugs and everything which are useful on Amazon. So keep watching. Let's go ahead and start doing that. So as you can see now, this is the first device which we have got. This is nothing but a normal PC Max, which is a branded company, USB port, and this one I got for $399 only. It has 4 USB ports, and these are 3.0 or 3.1 ports. So if you do want a small device where you can take it out for multiplying the number of ports on your laptop or on your phone, you can always take this and carry anywhere because it's not even about 2 grams weight. So this is the first device. Today we'll be doing this quickly, so let's go to the second device also. Second device is a good one. This is a type C port. As you can see, it's a type C port to USB port converter. That is, for example, we'll take example of this. You can connect this over here and you can connect this to your mobile. Most of the type C mobiles you can connect it easily. This one came as, it didn't come as single one. It's from Box, which is a very good company. It came for around 300 rupees, as everything over here is less than 500 today. So the next one is this. This is the cheapest one. We got it's a HDMI port. As you can see, it's a HDMI port to a type D. This is for your cameras, DSLR cameras. You can connect your capture card by this to your camera easily by using a long HDMI wire. You don't have to buy a type D wire to HDMI to do that because they are just 1 meter long. And if you want a longer HDMI wire, you can use this one. In case for your DSLR you need that. You can use this for outdoor shootings and indoor shooting also, and that's what I'm using it for. And you get this about 3 or 4 pieces for just $2.99. That's it. And the next device, we are doing it quickly and fast. This one I have not even unboxed, so I will be removing it now. It's as simple as what you can see over here. It's a type C audio adapter. So we will just go ahead and unbox this now itself. So this audio adapter, we have taken out the cover for that. It's simple. Most of the mobiles now are type C, so you can convert them to a normal audio jack in case you're using wired headphones by using this. So let's just tear this open because we are never going to use this cover again. So this is a type C to 3.5 mm jack, or normal headset jack. This is the wire, and this came for $359 only. It's very small, and it has a proper braided wire over here for ease of use. So even this is done. And the last one over here is, I'm just going a little bit quickly over here, is because like we can go ahead and do another part 2 video after this. So this one is Kanget USB-C female to USB male adapter. So if you see this, how it works is, nowadays like these type of, also you get type C USB sets for many of the devices. So if you want to connect a type C over here and make it to a USB port, this is very useful for that. and you can connect any of the type C devices you have, connect it over here and connect the other end over here. This one is a type A, so we don't require that, but for type C it is useful. This you can use on Mac as well as on PC, because most of them are type C only connectors. So this one is the fifth device. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 devices which you can get on Amazon now in less than about even 400 rupees, but I'm just making the video for 500, so you can try this. And there will be a second part of this video. Let's go to camera 1 for that. There will be a second part of this video which I'll be making with another 5 devices which are within the 1000 rupees to 500 rupees range on Amazon, which are very useful, and there will be some good tips also on that one. Unless we meet next time, this is Kamal. You're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you have a wonderful day. And do like and subscribe for the channel if you did like the channel and this video. Thank you there. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.